Good morning everybody, welcome to another Prep and Adventures video. Today is Wednesday the 13th of April 2022. It's Wednesday morning, about 20 past 11. We're at Brean down, that's the force in the distance you can see, and just down here on the floor is the drone which we're about to launch and see what we can see around the view here. So the helicopter is just flying over there. I'll try and zoom in on it if I can. The island over there is Steep Home, and that's Weston-super-Mare over there. So we'll get this drone up in the air and see what footage we can get. It's just completed its second flight. We're presently bringing it back. I'm just bringing it into land right now. I'll make it out on the screen of the yeah, it's getting in closer. Just land it. He landed it in a molehill. film the screen and you can't really see it because of the reflections. So that's the end of today's flying video. Hopefully you got some good footage. So I'll catch you in the next one.